I love you.
It's about to go down.
Okay, now that I have all of the seat belts off and dismounted from the floor, I have to pull the panels off. As you can see, all the panels. That one came off pretty easy because it was mounted right there. But to get that one off, you got to pull the panels and everything. So, do that next. Okay, this one stays. We keep that one. We can go either way with it on that side. Choose if we want to go that way or that way. I can even move this over here so it buckles that way. Perfect. Remove that thing out there. Slide that bolt off. Keep the bolts. There we go. Now, somebody with back problems, this is going to be an adventure living in this van, but I still think we can get away with it as long as I can get in and out without having to, you know, being able to stand up every now and then. I think I should be okay. But just this right here, just this work alone is exhausting. You know, I'm kind of sore, but pushing through. I mean, you know, just got to keep going. But seat belts will be done, and then they'll go with the chairs. Okay, that's one. Now we'll be able to take these, put this with the very back one. Done. Got more to go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 more to go. Yep, that's it. Okay. This whole panel should come right off, so let's see. Look at that, someone's been storing trash in there. Little notes and stuff. What's that? Angelo to Peyton. I love you. Apparently this person really liked this Peyton person. This is supposed to be a church bus, so these things were done in secret. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I think it's time to get the gloves on. So apparently there's a piece missing. It's the piece that goes up underneath here. That straps in here and it goes up like that. And that's what gets the spare tire out from underneath. So, get that frame. All those off will be good. And down in these holes I might be able to backfill these with foam, spray foam. So we'll probably do that. Add more insulation to it. Set it up. Look at this. There's another playing card in there. What is that? Oh, I dropped it. There's a 6 in there. I guess they're holding cards. Okay, now that I've finally got the floor done, see, got the panels off the wall, got the floor up, got the dirty carpet, whatever you want to call it. Now it's time to put these bad puppies in. Breakdown complete, and time to move on to all the fun stuff. So first we're going to do the floor, get the floor put in. Then we're going to get spray foam, and we're actually going to put spray foam inside of the walls. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Right over here, all those little holes, those little cubby holes all inside of there, up underneath there, around those corners. We're going to go ahead and put spray foam down inside of it. We'll use the one that's greater than 1 inch. We can actually get a can at for $2.97 at Wally World. So that's what we're going to do. So get ready. More coming soon. All right, we'll catch you later. Let's flip.
Yeah.